Okay, so this is the fourth grade collisions. I think it's fourth grade. So I've got the black line here that leads into this chute, this slide that I've taped down. Kids would put measurements here, a little observation chart. I've got the speed codes, so they will load a speed. So put it in slow mode and then send it down. And what you would do is it would strike a marble. I don't have marbles, but it would strike one here and it would hit it, and the slow code wouldn't do anything. But they should have observed that the faster the robot goes, the further the marble will go. So I have this little bead here that probably won't do anything, but just to give you an idea here. Yeah, so that didn't go anywhere. So ideally it would be a marble, and then maybe even tilt this up on a slope a little bit to kind of give it gravity to help it a little bit. Yeah.